The thing I like to look out for out in the world is friends that can act as accountability partners, whether that is in health and fitness, a gym buddy, someone that I share recipes and ideas with for meal prepping, somebody who also has a business similar to mine, or someone who has a completely different business. Doesn't matter, but somebody who is in the field of business and entrepreneurship. Surrounding myself with people who can help hold me accountable and support me, and vice versa, I can support them. Those are the kinds of quality relationships that you want in your inner circle. It's going to expedite your growth of where you want to go. But remember, it's important to have an idea, a clear vision of where you want to go. You don't need to know exactly like 10 years down the line where you want to be, but it's important for maybe, the immediate future of what direction you're trying to go in life. That way you can look for people who are going that same path, and you guys can hold each other you guys can hold each other accountable for each other's actions and help support each other.